Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Construct triangle ABC with angle A as 60 degrees, angle B 30 degrees and AB to be 5.8 centimeters. So here is the rough sketch of the triangle ABC. AB is 5.8 centimeters and angle A it is 60 degrees and angle B is 30 degrees. So like this we will have one triangle ABC in which angle A is 60 and angle B is 30 degrees. So this is the rough sketch of triangle ABC. Now we have to draw a actual triangle with the help of compass and ruler. Now what will be the first step? The first step is draw a line segment AB of 5.8 centimeters. So here we have to draw a line segment of 5.8 centimeters. We can name this as A and this as B. So here is the line segment AB of length 5.8 centimeters. Now the next step is construct angle A to be 60 degrees, or we can say construct an angle of 60 degrees at A such that XAB is 60 degrees. So in the steps of construction we can write construct angle of 60 degrees at A such that XAB is 60 degrees. Now the next step is angle B to be 30 degrees. So what we have to do now? At this B we have to construct a 30 degrees angle. So it will be like this. And in the steps of construction we will write construct 30 degrees angle at B such that YBA or angle YBA is equal to 30 degrees. This will be the third step of construction. And the fourth one will be name the point of intersection of ray AX and BY as C. That is this point here, the point of intersection of ray AX and ray BY. We have to name this point as C. So now we are done with the triangle ABC. So here we got one triangle ABC in which AB is 5.8 centimeters, angle A is 60 degrees and angle B is 30 degrees. This is what we have to draw here in this question. So we have constructed the required triangle ABC, and side by side we have to write steps of construction also. Whatever we are doing, we are writing that in language. That only is the steps of construction. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the next question. The question is construct triangle PQR. If PQ is 5 centimeters, measurement of angle PQR is 105 degrees and measurement of angle QRP is 40 degrees. So now first of all we have to draw a rough sketch. So we need a triangle PQR. Let's say it is the triangle PQR in which angle Q is given as 105. So this is 105 degrees and PQ is 5 centimeters and angle R is given to us 40 degrees. Now can we construct this triangle? Now here two angles are given, but the side length which is given to us is not the side included between these two angles. So what we have to do now? We have to use angle sum property and we can get measurement of angle P. So let's do that now. We can write by angle sum property. What was the angle sum property? It is sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So therefore we can say angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Now from here we will get angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that will be 105 plus 40, that is 145 degrees. Now this is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's transpose 145 here on the right side. So this will give us angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. Now what is 180 minus 145? It will be 35. So angle P is 35 degrees. Now we know this angle. This is 35 degrees. Angle P is 35 degrees. Now in this triangle we know two angles and a side included between them is also known to us. Now we can construct this triangle because here ASA criteria is followed. So now we have to construct this triangle PQR in which PQ is 5 centimeters. So the first step of construction will be draw a line segment of 5 centimeter length and we can name it as PQ. So in the step of construction we will write draw a line segment PQ of length 5 centimeters. So here is the line segment PQ of length 5 centimeters. Now the next step is angle PQR is equal to 105 degrees. So here at Q we have to construct 105 degrees angle. So it will be like this. So here in the steps of construction we will write construct 105 degrees angle at Q such that PQX is equal to 105 degrees. This is the second step of construction. Now in the next step what we will do, we will construct 35 degrees angle at P, or we can say we will make an angle of 35 degrees at P. So it will be like this. So here we have made an angle of 35 degrees at P. In the steps of construction we will write the same thing, that make an angle of 35 degrees at P such that YPQ is 35 degrees. Now we are just one step away from the triangle PQR, and that is name the point of intersection of ray PY and QX as R. That is, this point here is R. And in the steps of construction also we have to write the same thing, that is name the point of intersection of PY and QX to be R. Now we are ready with the triangle PQR in which angle P is 35 degrees, PQ is 5 centimeters and angle Q is 105 degrees and angle R will be 40 degrees. So we are done with the construction now. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question is, examine whether you can construct a triangle DEF such that EF is 7.2 centimeters and measurement of angle E is 110 degrees and measurement of angle F is 180 degrees and measurement of angle F is 80 degrees, and then we have to justify the answer whatever we are giving. So what do you think? Is it possible to draw a triangle in which angle E is 110 degrees and the second angle F is 80 degrees? Will it be possible? Let's find the sum of these two angles first. Angle E plus angle F. This will be equal to 110 degrees plus 80 degrees. Now 110 plus 80 is 190 degrees. So sum of the two angles of a triangle is 190 degrees. And if we will add the third angle also, it will remain greater than 190 only. That is, it will be greater than 180 degrees only. So here angle sum property is not satisfied. So therefore we cannot draw a triangle in which two of the angles are 110 degrees and 80 degrees respectively. And in the reason we can write angle sum property is not satisfied. So it means we cannot draw this triangle. So answer for this question will be no. No, we cannot construct a triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeters, measurement of angle E is 110 degrees and measurement of angle F is 80 degrees. It is not possible to draw such a triangle. Why it is not possible? We have seen that angle sum property is not satisfied. So till now we have learned how to construct a triangle if all the three sides are given that was SSS criteria, and then we have seen when two sides and the angle included between the sides is given to us, that is SAS criteria. And now we have learned how to construct a triangle in which two angles are given and the side included between them is given to us, that is ASA criteria. So now we are left with only one criteria, that is RHS. So it means now we are going to construct right angle triangles in which hypotenuse is given to us and one of the side length is given to us.